it already turned on, and I didn't even start the car or anything. All I did was get on it, or like you
Correct,
said,
correct.
it noticed we
It
were
noticed
around
our
it.
movement and stuff because it was turning on because I went to go adjust that rear and it noticed I was like messing around with the back. So I think it's motion. I think it notices front
Gotcha.
and then turns on and off, doing that. So with that being said, if you want to go ahead and turn her on so we know that we have like her in her fullest mode, because it can tell the difference between like accessory and full power.
Gotcha.
So as long as you got that red flashing light there, we know we're recording. So we're recording right now.
Right.
And then I'm not sure if you got a chance to look through your manual or anything like that at all. But basically, so you have your power button here, and I believe that you might be able to just press that there.
Right.
To get that LCD out of your face, right? Like late at night, whatever the case may be. You have your settings button here.